motional electromotive force. We know, according to Faraday's law of electromagnetic induction, whenever a coil is associated with varying magnetic field, an EMF is induced in the coil. Here we explain, when the magnetic field remains constant and area of the coil is varied, then also EMF is induced in the coil. Look at the diagram. PQRS be a rectangular coil which is placed in uniform magnetic field B. The magnetic field acts perpendicular to the plane of the coil as well as towards the plane. The magnetic field is uniform as well as time independent. The conductor PQ of the coil is movable. When it is at position PQ, what is the area of the coil? The area of the coil is its length into breadth. Its length is L and breadth is X. Hence, area of the coil is L into X. If B is the magnetic field which is perpendicular to the plane of the coil, the magnetic flux associated with the coil is phi B, which is equal to B into area A, that is L into X. If the conductor PQ moves with velocity V towards left, now the new position is P dashed Q dashed. The conductor PQ has moved through a distance dx in time dt, or now the length of the coil is L itself, whereas breadth of the coil is X dashed. So what is the magnetic flux associated with the coil P dashed, Q dashed or S P? Let it be phi B dashed, which is equal to B into L into X dashed. That is the new magnetic flux associated with the coil. Or what is the change in magnetic flux? That is d phi B, which is equal to phi B dashed minus phi B, or this is equal to B L X dashed minus B L X, or it is B L into X dashed minus X. And we know X dash minus X is dx, or which is minus dx. Hence, the EMF induced in the coil is minus d phi B by dt according to the laws of electromagnetic induction, which is equal to minus of BL into minus dx divided by dt, or this is equal to minus minus plus b L dx by dt. Dx is the distance traveled by the conductor in time dt, which is the velocity with which the conductor moves. Hence, EMF E equal to B into L into V. This is the EMF produced in the rectangular coil, which is moving in uniform and time independent magnetic field B with velocity V, and L is the length of the coil. It is possible to explain the motional EMF by invoking Lorentz force acting on the free charge carriers of the conductor PQ. Consider an arbitrary charge Q in the conductor PQ. When the rod moves with speed V, the charge will also be moving with speed V in the magnetic field B. The Lorentz force on this charge Q is F, which is equal to QVB, since magnetic field is perpendicular to the plane of the coil. Now this magnetic force is directed towards Q. Now how much is the work done in moving the charge Q from P to Q? What may be the work done? Let it be W. We know work done is equal to force into distance. Here force is QVB and the distance is L. So we write work done equal to force into distance, which is QVB into L. If it is so, we know the EMF induced equal to work done divided by charge. Work done divided by charge, and that is QVBL whole divided by charge Q. Q get cancelled out, hence the equation will be EMF E equal to BVL. In this case also, EMF induced in the coil, which is placed in uniform and time independent magnetic field B, and if the rod PQ is moving with velocity V, is E, which is equal to BVL or BLV. Thank you.